So our Uber products would be a solution to Peru's transportation problem. They currently have some of the worst roads in South America, and this is because there are just too many public, not well-run companies on the road right now. This is because they lack a government-run transportation system. And so the vehicles that are on the road now are unsafe and follow their own routes, and the roads are quite chaotic, as you can see in the picture below. Uber and our extension Uber Micro would be introduced. Uber, the traditional service, would offer a safe and reliable ride for these customers at a no haggle price. Normally when you get into a cab, you have to negotiate the price while the cab is taking off. We would have an established price at the start of the ride. We would offer the safe vehicles. And now Uber Micro would be a minivan service. Minivans are a quite popular form of transportation due to the group travel that goes on in Peru because it's a collectivist country. And so this would be an affordable option for, really targeted at the people in the Pueblos Avenes, which are the slums outside of Lima. They would offer them a reliable, safe ride to get to downtown, to work, to shop, because they just really don't have much right now. So our traditional Uber would target, really middle to middle upper class, because these are the people currently that can actually afford to take taxis. We'd focus on the major cities in Peru and look at both males and females. Now Uber Micro would focus on the lower class. We'd really focus our efforts at the start in Lima, but they'd be offering the bigger cities. It'd be males and who are 14 and older, because this is currently the working class in Lima, and so our service would be offered more as a safe way and reliable drive into work. And we'd specifically focus our efforts early on those Pueblos Avenes. So looking at the psychographics, we have on the VALS lifestyle categorization believers who are conservative, family-oriented consumers. We would target consumers who want a reliable and trusted relationship with their customer and are concerned with the health and opinion of their group members. And so looking at the value structure map, family, security, strong relationships, these are the values because they want a safe and reliable ride into wherever they're going, and consideration for the passengers. And we'd answer this by offering well-maintained vehicles, welcoming drivers, and well-vetted drivers, and established pricing.